In this video, I've got a very interesting update for you from master trader Larry Benedict, and the theme of this update is that commodity trades are hot. In fact, they're going to be red hot throughout 2026 because the markets in 2026 are going to be very volatile. I think AI is probably not going to have the best year according to Larry, but you know, commodities and industrial is going to do really well. So I'm going to walk you through his market update and everything. But the main point of this video is to bring to your attention there's going to be a huge opportunity for people out there to make potentially a lot of money from commodities, in particular gold and silver, because Larry thinks gold and silver are in the biggest bubble we've ever seen and it's going to blow spectacularly, and he's going to bring huge profit potential for the savvy investor using options. So just very quickly, the reason why I think you should be listening to Larry, I'm a member of his service, One Ticker Trader. Larry's a 40-year veteran market trader. He specializes in options trading, and this is what his service does: gives market updates and issues options trades and teaches people how to trade options. He was a former hedge fund manager. He owned his own hedge fund, Banyan Capital, billion-dollar hedge fund, worked the floors. So when this guy talks, I listen big time. So with that said, let's get into his update. I'm going to read it for you. So it says it's Friday afternoon, the market was up and it was down really big, not really big, but big. And then it came back and we're operating around the Mendoza flat line for the day. And I think people or computers have been whipped enough. He said the trade that we've been focusing on is starting to work a little bit, and that's gold and silver coming in. I think that is one of the biggest bubbles we've ever seen in our trading lifetime, especially in silver. So that's what Larry's talking about. He's expecting in 2026 the gold and silver bubble to burst and the price to tank. He thinks silver could lose 50% of its value and gold and silver could lose 30-40%. And the way to profit off that is to buy puts on gold and silver ETFs, because with put options you can profit if the stock goes down, and that is what Larry's going to be doing this year. Huge opportunity if Larry is right here. So yeah, exciting opportunity. He says the reason why I'm saying this, I look at volumes across the board on ETFs and leveraged ETFs, and the volumes are massively high. So the market is kind of almost oversold. And I mean, it is very high volume and crazy movement on high volume, and retail is buying it up. So that's what we're seeing. So basically retail investors are just plowing into the markets at the moment, and it's creating this huge bubble, especially in gold and silver, that's likely to burst. It says the equity markets are pretty much the NASDAQ underperforming S&P. Coming next week with a webinar about a trade that I really like. I'll let you know what that is. And I think it's a good way to handle market volatility. I think it's a good way for you guys to make some money. And what I'll do is, since I don't really want to release it before the webinar comes out, once that airs, I'll obviously tell everyone about it and the trade he's looking at. So yeah, I'll bring that when that gets released. There's really not a lot of trade in the dollar. Focus has been commodities, in gold, in silver. Silver had an unbelievable year, up 187% last year. Started the year up 40%, 6 trading days, which is amazing. And now it's coming in a little bit, and gold's up about 5% for the year. And S&P is up 1%. NASDAQ is up a little less than 1%, underperforming. I don't love the Mag 7 stocks and the S&P. I think we want to stay away from that. But again, they'll show strength throughout the year. So there will be times to buy them and times to sort of stay away from them. And really, markets are pretty amazing. Somehow always hold up. And that's really it for the market this week. Bonds have had insider range. Crude, we played to the long side. I'll talk about that when we talk about our trades. But crude was up a bit, I guess, due to geopolitical risk. And now crude has reversed. We go out at about 61.50, got back to 58, looking to buy it again. I think not only with geopolitical risk, but I think in general, the fact that crude hasn't rallied in a couple of years and it's a $50 commodity, I don't think you run a lot of risk owning crude at those levels. So basically he's saying there as well that oil price is low, and with all the geopolitical risk and the Middle East still hot, buying options in crude oil ETFs or just buying crude is a good thing to have, because he thinks it could be a rally this year. So that is really the update from Larry Benedict. I think really the theme is gold and silver going to be hot. It's going to present traders with a huge opportunity to make some serious profit when the prices, if they tank. And you do that by trading or buying put options on gold and silver ETFs. So I'll bring more updates about that later on. And obviously oil is another one to watch. Good price at the moment with oil. Larry expects there could be a rally at some point this year, which could hold really good profit, sort of profit potential, buying calls on crude. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. I hope you found this update useful. If you want to listen, if you want to read these for yourselves rather than getting them on the video, this video here goes into a lot deeper depth. And if you want to get Larry's trade alerts and learn how he trades the markets, Larry's got an 81% trade win streak. He was on fire last year. So if you want to be part of this community, one ticker trader, and get his trade alerts, get his market updates, which are brilliant. I'll leave a link in the comment description below where you can join for just $19, which will lock your membership in for 1 year. Get a 30-day money-back guarantee, and you can start learning how to trade options. He's got a little course here. So if you want to join One Ticker Trader, get Larry's trades, especially his gold and silver trades, oil trades, anything else, and get his excellent market updates, link in the comment description below. Join for just $19. That's what I've got for you guys. I hope you found the videos informative, got value. Want to like, want to subscribe, want to hype. Got any questions? Ask them below. Thanks for joining me. I'll speak to you soon.